Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the ultimate roadmap to becoming a data scientist. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and like my channel to get more informative videos. Introduction to data science. Data science is one of the most sought after careers in the 21st century. With its applications spanning across industries like healthcare, finance, technology, and more, the demand for skilled data scientists is skyrocketing. This article provides a step-by-step roadmap to help you navigate your journey to become a data scientist. Understanding to data science. Before devising into the roadmap, it's essential to understand what data science is and what data science scientists to do. Definition. Data science is the interdisciplinary field that uses scientists, methods, algorithms, and scientists to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Roles and possibilities. Collecting and cleaning data, analyzing data to uncover patterns and trends, building predictive models using machine learning, communicated insights to holders. Why become a data scientist? Scientist कैसे क्यों बनता है? Data science offers numerous benefits making it an attractive career choice. High demand. इसकी high demand क्या है? The demand for data scientists far exceeds the supply, leading to the job opportunities. Competitive salary. Competitive salary. Data scientists are among the highest paid professionals globally. Diverse applications. Data science is used in almost every industry, providing a wide range of career options. Impact work. Data science Data scientists solve real-world problems and drive innovation. Skills required to become a data scientist. To become a successful data scientist, you need a combination of technical and soft skills. Technical skills, programs, satisfies and mathematics, linear algebra, circus, machine learning, supervised and deep learning, big data tools, Hadoop, Spark, Kafka. Soft skills, problem solving, ability to tackle complex problems, communication, explaining technical concepts to non-technical holders, critical thinking, analyzing data and making data-driven decisions, curiosity, opposition of learning and exploring new technologies, educational background, where while there's no single path to becoming a data scientist, certain educational backgrounds can give you a head start. Degree in fields like computer science, mathematics, statistics, or engineering. Master's degree in data science, machine learning, or related fields. Optional but beneficial. Online courses and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offers specialized data science courses. Step by step roadmap to becoming a data scientist. Here's detailed roadmap to guide you through your journey. Step 1, learning the basics. Programming. Start with Python or R, the most popular languages in data science. Mathematics and statistics focus on probability, linear algebra, and statistical methods. Data manipulation. Learn to work with data using libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Step 2, master data analysis and visualizations. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Learn to analyze and summarize data sets. Data visualizations. Use tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and to create visualizations. Step 3, dive into machine learning. Supervised learning. Learn algorithm like linear regression, logarithm regressions, and region trees. Step 4, with work big data. Big data tools. Learn to use Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka or handling large datasets. Cloud platforms. Gain experiences with AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. Step 5. Build a portfolio projects. Work on real world projects like predicting house prices, analyzing customers' choice, or building recommendation system. GitHub. Share your code and projects on GitHub to showcase your skills. Casual. Participate in casual competitions to solve challenges, problems, and earn from the community. Step 6. Gain practical experiences. Internships. Apply for internships to gain hands-on experiences. Freelance projects. Work on freelance project to build your resume. Networking. Attend data science meetups, conference, and to contact with professionals. Step 7. Apply for jobs. Resume and LinkedIn. Create a strong resume and LinkedIn profile highlighting your skills and projects. Job portals. Apply for data science roles on platforms like Indeed and Glassdoor. Prepare for technical interviews by practicing coding problems and machine learning concepts. Number 7. Advanced topics in data science. Once you are mastered the basics, you can explore advanced topics to specialize further. Natural language processing (NLP) techniques for analyzing and generating human language. Computer visions methods for interpreting visual data. Learning for training models to make decisions. Time series analysis techniques for analyzing time based data. Certifications and courses. Certifications can enhance your resume and demonstrate your expertise. Some population certification include Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate courses, Microsoft Certified, Azure Data Scientist Associate, Certified Analytics Professional. Number 9. Building a strong online presence. A strong online presence can help you stand out in the competitive job market. GitHub. Share your projects and code. Connect with professionals and share your achievements. Blogging. Write articles on data science topics to showcase your knowledge. Casual. Participate in competitions and contribute to the community. Number 10. Networking and mentorship. Networking is crucial for career growth. Attend conferences. Participate in data science conferences like Stata, ODSC, and PyData. Job communications. Thank you for watching. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more informative videos.